Let's assemble the grader. Done! Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. Let's assemble the dump truck. Keep up the good work. Now let's load materials into the dump truck. Don't stop. Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. Let's assemble the track laying machine. Ready. Let's load rails onto the track laying machine. Ready. Let's lay rails and sleepers. First, let's assemble the dracene. Keep it up. Now let's load road signs onto the dracene. Keep up the good work. Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. Let's assemble the railroad excavator. We did it! Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. We need to assemble the concrete mixer. Done! Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. We need to assemble the open wagon. You're doing really great. Let's load bricks for the first floor onto the open wagon. Keep up the good work. Let's build the first floor of the station. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. That's all. Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. We need to assemble the flat car. You're doing really great. Now let's load bricks for the second floor into the flat car. Ready. Let's build the walls of the second floor. First, let's assemble the glass transporting car. Keep up the good work. Let's load the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. We need to assemble the crane. Amazing! Let's make a canopy and a roof. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Don't stop! Let's decorate the station building. We need to assemble the locomotive. Ready. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Let's fill the locomotive with water. Done! Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. First, let's assemble the dining car. Done! Let's load furniture into the dining car. Keep up the good work. Let's load luggage into cars. First, let's assemble the train. Go on. That's all. The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats.